In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have these two productivity tools talking to each other, so you can manage tasks more smoothly without constantly switching between apps. First, open the Trello board where you want to connect Todoist. Make sure you're logged in and that you have permission to add integrations on this board. At the top of your board, look for the Power-Ups option in the menu bar. This is Trello's way of adding extra features and apps to your boards. Go ahead and click on Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups panel. Once the panel opens, you'll see any existing power-ups that are already enabled on this board. To add a new one, find and click on the button that says Add Power-Ups. This will take you to Trello's Power-Ups directory, where you can search through all the available integrations. In the search bar of the Power-Ups directory, type in Todoist. Make sure you spell it correctly as one word. After a moment, you should see the Todoist power-up appear in the results. If you don't see it right away, double check your spelling or make sure the search filter is set to show all power-ups. When Todoist appears in the list, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll usually see a short description of what the integration does, along with any important notes about permissions or features. This is a good place to quickly review what you'll be able to do once it's connected, like linking tasks or viewing Todoist items inside Trello. On this Todoist Power-Up page, look for the Add button and click on it. Trello will then start the process of adding Todoist to your board. This may take a moment, and once it's added, you should see confirmation on the screen that the Power-Up is now enabled. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These will typically guide you through signing into your Todoist account and granting the necessary permissions so Trello can access it. Take your time to read each prompt carefully, confirm the correct account, and allow access only if you're comfortable with the permissions requested. Once you complete the prompts, your Trello board and Todoist should be successfully integrated, ready for you to start syncing and managing your tasks more efficiently.